study of trigo, we have some of these names that we need to remember by heart. Okay, and these names mainly come from this right angle triangle. Okay, if you have picked an angle, let's say you have picked an angle A from a certain right angle triangle here. Okay, the right angle is down here, and you pick this angle. Should you do that, you have your we call this side there's opposite, way above opposite, the further end one. That side, the length of that side, we call it the opposite side. This for the case when your angle is here. So for this angle A, the opposite side is actually your length x. Okay, and your length that where this angle is sitting on, the shorter one, is the y. That one we call it the adjacent side. That this length y, we call it the adjacent side for angle A. And the longer side, this longer side is unique. No matter which angle you pick, this longer side is always there and is always facing your 90 degree. Okay, and that is your hypo. Okay, we call it z, the length z here. If you pick a different angle here, there are only two choices. Okay, because the right angle is always there, so you only have two choices. If you pick the angle B, then the opposite side for angle B will be down here. See, you look opposite. If you imagine yourself standing there, look opposite, it's your length y, so your y is your opposite if you pick the angle B. Okay, and if it's hypo is still the longer side that's facing your 90 degree, is still the same old length z. And for the side where your angle is sitting on, the shorter side where your angle is sitting on, the angle x, the length x is your adjacent side. So these are three basic names to remember for the case of a right angle triangle, dependent on which angle you pick. Right, so take note now. If you pick A, then you have different sets of adjacent and opposite. But for hypo, both are the same. Hypo is the same everywhere.